Scientific study of RIG VEDA, class 66. Today we are going through the Mandal 1, Sooktha-28, and the Mandras are 5 to 9. Here the Devata is Soma, and actually here they are explaining something about the pestle and the mortar. These are rod and vessel which is used to grind things. Using this, actually we are taking juice from the material, or we are grinding it in the form of powder, or we are churning it to make it in the paste form. So this is the first tool that is discovered in earlier days for grinding things. Grinding is the initial operation that is required in everything. In our kitchen itself, we are using different types of equipments now, that is mixer and grinder. In olden days, it was a rod that is called a pestle, and it is applied in this way to grind the material. And mortar is the pot in which we are applying this pestle to make it powder or to make it juice or anything like that. So it is one of the important tools that is required both in olden days and in modern periods. Now let us go through we have already seen certain suktas, that is one from Mandras, that is from 1 to 4. Now let us go through the 5th mantra.
RIGVEDA മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 28-5 യത് ചിദ്ധി ത്വം ഗൃഹ ഉലൂഖല കായുജ്യസേ ഇഹ ദ്വിമുത്തമം വദ ജയതാം ഇവ ദുന്ദുഭി.
It says that we are using this mortar in every home and tells it to make a sound. That means we are using it to grind anything. For example, in the kitchen we are using it. It is making sound while we are grounding the material. Now let us go through the 6th mantra.
RIGVEDA മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 28-6 ഉദസ്മതേ വനസ്പതേ വാദോ വിവാത്യഗ്രമിത് അഥോ ഇന്ദ്രായ പാദവേ സുനു സോമം ഉലൂഖലാം.
It says we are using this pestle and mortar to produce the soma, and it says when we are using this, the air is moving around it. That means whenever we move anything, the air will also move. So we are applying this in this way to grind the material or to take it juice. In modern days, mixie also is producing sound, and the air is also rotating around it. Now let us go through the 7th. It also says Soma to come Indra to come take the Soma. So after producing this Soma, we are giving to Indra. Suppose we want to prepare any food, we are giving these ingredients to the Indra in the powder form or liquid form, anything like that, and Indra is taking it and converting it into the product. So actually we are giving it to Indra Indra is the force which is coordinating the activities inside the vessel where this cooking is taking place or production of any material is taking place. So we are giving it to Indra. So where we are grinding anything, it is for Indra. Now let us go through the seventh mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദ മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 28-7 ആയജി വാജസ തമാതാ ഹി ഉച്ച വിജർഭൃത ഹരി ഇവാന്ധാം അംസി ബവ്സദാ.
It says this pestle and mortar is very useful thing, and it is very powerful also, because by applying this force we are grinding it or we are taking the juice from it. So for what? To produce anna. Anna means the product. From this we are using so many things. Taking juice from the fruit, we are making scotch or anything like that, or drinking soft drink. So these are anna or products. From these we are producing different things. It tells this tool to make a very good sound, because when using it, actually it is producing sound. Now let us go through the eighth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദ മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 28-8 താനോ അദ്യ വനസ്പതി ഋഷ്വാ വൃഷേഭിസ് സോതൃഭിഃ ഇന്ദ്രായ മത്സുതം.
It says that this vanaspade means these vegetables are taking the form of this pestle or mortar. If we grind anything inside the mortar, it will take the form of that mortar. By using this pestle and mortar, if you take it inside the mortar, after grinding or applying force in this direction, that will take in the form of mortar. So it tells to give the juice which is required for Indra. Now let us go through the ninth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദ മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 28-9 ഉച്ഛിഷ്ടം ചം ഓർഭര സോമം പവിത്ര ആശ്രിജ നിധേഹി ഗോരധിത്വജീ.
It tells, after applying this force or after grinding, take the juice and place it in a vessel, and the residue may be placed in another vessel or in Kushasana. After grinding it, we take the powder and place it in the Kushasana, and the residue can be put in another pot. After grinding the fruit or taking the juice, we are taking the juice for some other work, and we are taking the residue in another pot and we will throw it away. So that is the last mantra.